little faster than I am. This would have been easier if I put it on my head. Hold on, I can't hear. I'm swimming.
I was asking if the GoPro was working.
Oh yeah, it's on.
Do you see that?
That?
Yeah. I like it when they fly out over the water like that.
Yeah. Is that a person way out there? Or is that a...
Those are birds.
Oh, those are buoys.
Buoys.
Yeah.
Buoys? That thing up there is a bird. Oh, hi. Okay, that swim made me warmer.
Yeah, see? Your dad always talks about, I gotta swim, I gotta get warm.
So pretty out here.
It is. Well, last time we were out here, so it was my first sunset in the water, and it was awesome. Like, I was so grateful you guys took me out here. I was trying to describe it to people, and I go, it's inky. And they go, what? I go, it's inky.
That's not really a good descriptive word,
But,
not gonna lie.
no, it is, because your dad said that.
It is, unless you know what you're talking about.
Yeah, but when he said it gets inky, and I looked down, I'm like, it is dark and inky.
I know. But you need to be here to make that connection.
Yeah.
This isn't quite as good as a sunset though, because it's hazy.
Yeah, it's hazy. So we do a 360. And a Jade 60. And then a Dan 60. Wait, hold on. How's that working? Okay.
Here, give it to me. Oh,
It's wrapped around my wrist.
I was gonna have you go over there and then that would be it in the video. That's better than you taking a very up close shot of
So,
your forehead.
oh, no.